Hi, I'm Ulla Robertson-Neumann and chef and owner of At Your Service and Y Catering, located in Orangeburg, New York, that is just outside of New York City. Today I'm going to show you how to make an onion wheel sandwich. I know that there's a gazillion ways to make a sandwich, but I show you my way, and here's what you need. For this recipe you need a sandwich bread, a toasted onion ring, some slices of tomatoes and some slices of cheese. For this recipe I'm using American cheese. So I start by putting the onion wheel on the sandwich, and so the onion has been toasted with a little bit of olive oil, so we don't need any